so many publications that have stated the importance of temperature when it comes to oocytes. And again, a beautiful study, this has been presented in almost 2001, almost 20 years ago, that has shown that the spindle dynamics are very sensitive to temperature. So you can see that temperature fluctuations can depolymerize the meiotic spindle in the human oocyte, which again, if left for too long, can be a non-reversible phenomenon. So your spindle, to a certain extent, will take the bantering of temperature trauma. However, if subjected over a certain amount of time, will not be able to repair itself and will lead to further complications such as meiotic abnormalities or chromosomal non-disjunction and aneuploidies resulting in your embryo.